In modern electrical systems, circuit breakers serve as important electrical protection devices to ensure the safety and convenience of our lives. W9 specializes in circuit protection devices, switchboards, and smart electrical products, providing you with one-stop solutions. Our products cover MCB, RCD, RCCB, RCBO, disconnect switches, distribution boxes, MCCB, AC contactors, SPD, AFDD, intelligent miniature circuit breakers, intelligent residual current protectors, and so on. Our customized production and OEM/ODM services meet the needs of different customers. Whether you are a corporate customer or a consumer-oriented individual user, W9 can provide the best solution. For corporate customers, we offer tailor-made solutions to optimize electrical safety and efficiency. For example, for the power distribution systems of large enterprises, our circuit breakers prevent overloads and short circuits and protect the safe operation of equipment. W9 is also committed to providing consumers with high-quality circuit breakers. Our home electrical protection devices ensure that your home electricity is safe from accidents. For example, our RCBO gives consumers a higher level of safety. We strictly follow the International Service Certification Standards. W9 in the industry has passed ISO 9001, ISO 140001, OHSAS 18001, and other system certifications. Circuit breakers are in line with IEC international standards. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality, intelligent, systematic products and services and solutions. In W9 Factory, we have GPL3 high and low temperature alternating humidity and heat tester with temperature setting 40 degrees C, 70 degrees C, which can independently check the mechanical life of the circuit breakers, short circuit, short delay time, overload, long delay time, as well as the test of the product parts of the flame retardant, compression resistance, copper plating, and so on to meet the customer's quality requirements of the factory. U9 is committed to bringing better prices, better quality, more competitive products, and providing customers with quality assurance services to make your purchases worry-free. Feel free to contact us anytime. Learn more and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!